1, 2, 3 into the 4. These are the quadrants we're about to explore. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Locate NA points, no less, no more. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Two number lines, a coordinate plane is born. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Did you take notes yet? What you waiting for? Mr. Abdul-Jami here. Back to the lecture at hand. Our essential question is, where is the point? Where is the point, and what do ordered pairs have to do with this? Basically, your ordered pair is used to locate the point. So right here, point A is at 5, 2. 5, 2 is my ordered pair. But this is how I read it. The 5 tells me my x coordinate. X coordinate. The 2 tells me my y coordinate. So given those two coordinates, I'm going to match that up on my x axis and on my y axis. Like so. Alright, so to find 5, 2. X coordinate's 5, so I'm going to start at my origin and go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y coordinate's 2, so I go up 2. Once I think I've located this point, just make sure it lines up right. It has to line up with the x coordinate of 5 on the x-axis, and it needs to line up with the 2 on the y-axis. If so, I located it. It's that simple. Now, you try. I want you to locate point B at 4, -2, and point C at -3, 4. Now go ahead and pause the video while you locate them. Then come back to the video to see if you did what I did. Pause it. Point B, 4, -2. So I'm going to go out 4 on the x-axis, then I'm going to go down 2. So it lines up with the 4, it lines up with -2. That's my point B. Point C at -3, 4. Notice I'm always starting at the origin. At the origin, first I'll go to my x coordinates, -3, so I'll go to the left 3. My second number is 4, so from there I go up 4. Left 3, up 4. 2, 3, 4. So, lines up with the -3, then lines up with the 4. Now, if you got that right, I want you to name a point, any point, for each quadrant. So name a point, any point that's in quadrant 1, any point that's in quadrant 2, 3, and 4. After you name a point in each quadrant, I'm going to show you a way to check it. So I can check to see and show you how to check to see if you got it right. Go ahead and pause the video. Alright, did you do it? Did you name a point in each quadrant? Alright, this is how you know if you got it right. So for quadrant 1, if your ordered pair has 2 positive numbers, you got it right. Doesn't matter if they're fractions, decimals. If they're both positive, in quadrant 1 you have a positive x and a positive y. Quadrant 2, you got it right if the first number is negative and the second number is positive. Doesn't matter what number again it is, as long as it's negative first, then positive, it's in quadrant 2. For quadrant 3, first number has to be negative, second number has to be negative. It has to look like a straight face. Quadrant 4, first number is positive, second number is negative. I wish it was harder. That's all there is to it. Once you have all these notes completed, go to Study Island 8.7D. That's 8.7D. Study Island. Peace.